Okay, I'm over here at this park, and there are crows in the tree. Well, it's hard to spot them, and they're just being aggressive up there. This is my first bird watch in about 4 years, or maybe 3.5. You hear them? Okay, well, I'm just trying to find them. Maybe they moved, but yeah, just trying to do another bird watch here. Okay now, just wanted to capture some moments here. I guess they left. Oh, I see some in the sky. Yeah, I'm not really a huge fan of crows. I'm afraid of them sometimes.